Hello everyone, in today's lecture we are going to study motors, contents, definition, working principle of motor, types of motor and applications of motor. First we will know what is meant by motor. Which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is called motor. There are two types of motors, they are AC motors and DC motors. First we will know what is meant by AC motors. A motors which convert alternating current energy into mechanical energy are known as AC motors. This is the diagram of AC motor. The AC motor works on the principle whenever a conductor is placed in a magnetic field, an EMF is induced in it and this circulates current in the conductor if it is closed. And the motor principle is whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque or a force. This is the diagram of AC motors. There is N pole and S pole. In between there is a magnetic field and the coil is rotating. Types of AC motors. AC motors are classified as two types, synchronous motors and induction motors, and induction motor is further divided into single phase induction motor and three phase induction motor. Applications of AC motors. These are used in industrial drives of water pumps, tube wells. AC motors are used in lathes, drill, etc. These are used in home appliances like washing machines, grinder, refrigerator. DC motor. What is meant by DC motor? We know. DC motor is an electromagnetic machine which converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is dynamic machine. Its action is reversed to that of DC generator. This is the diagram of DC motor. The construction of DC motor is same as that of DC generator. Working principle. A DC motor works on the whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force and tends to move at a right angles to the direction of main field. And the DC motor works on the Fleming's left hand rule. It states that stretch the three fingers of your left hand, this is left hand, the forefinger, middle finger and thumb at right angles to each other. Hold hand such that the forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field, the middle finger indicates the direction of current through the conductor and the thumb indicates the direction of motion of conductor. Types of DC motor. All the DC motors are excited from external source only, but based on the connection of field winding and the number of fields, DC motors are classified as self-excited and separately excited. Self-excited motor is further classified into shunt motor, series motor and compound motor, and the compound motor is further divided into short shunt compound motor and long shunt compound motor. Applications of DC motor. DC shunt motor is used for such applications where the constant voltage is required. DC motor is used for lathe machines, machine tools, fans, conveyors. DC series motor is used for cranes, trolleys, hoists, etc. Important questions asked from this lecture is: explain with the sketch working principle of motor, list any 5 applications of AC motors and define motor and list the types of motors. In this lecture overall we have covered motors and its types and applications. Thank you.